Today I'm going to show you how to upload supplemental items to your application account. From your discover.mta.ca homepage, you can just scroll down to the application section where you can see your applications that you've started. If you notice, next to my September 2021 Bachelor of Commerce application, there's action required. So I will select this application. Then I will go to the tab that says Supplemental Items and Documents. From here, I can see that there is a red asterisk next to the grade 11 high school transcript. From here, I will go over to the attachments and choose a file. Then I can select the file that is appropriate. Once I am sure I have the correct document selected, I will select Upload All. Now you can see that the grade 11 high school transcript has been attached.